All right, for all the people who's wondering if my Vigilante Crosman is still working, or is it all rusted out already? Nope. I mean, there's a little rust inside, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I mean, it's still gonna shoot. I like this better than the Bug Assault. This shoots stronger than the Shredder, and it looks better too. And on top of that, you can use pellets if you want. But yeah, it still works. Show you guys a little trick that I do. So when I use this, I cock it. See that? It moved. I'm gonna move it a little bit clockwise. See that? What does that do is it aligns one of the holes or the chambers of the moon clip directly to the barrel. Because if you don't do that, it's just gonna be like right in the middle. You know, once you pull the trigger, it doesn't work. You know, you're gonna shoot the middle part in between. So what I'm doing is pretty much just aligning the holes of this clip to the barrel. So once I pull the trigger, it just shoots straight. Okay. So let's try that again. All right, so that's an empty chamber right there. I'm gonna cock it, and then I'm gonna just touch that clockwise a little bit, and then it'll hold. Once it holds, that means that next chamber is directly straight to the barrel. Once you pull that trigger, you're good to go. So let's shoot something real quick. Okay. There's no bugs. I don't think there's bugs. I don't see anything. I think I already shot them all. Yeah, I don't see anything flying right now. Yep, nothing. Well, I shoot this all the time. I'm gonna just show you guys. I'm gonna shoot this. And it works. I'm gonna cock it and then help it out a little bit. Just align it. You know, once it's aligned like that, once you pull the trigger, it's straight. You know. Cock it again. Align it. Make sure you align it. Because if you don't align it, it's not gonna work right. So let's see if we can hit that leaf. Perfect. Like I said, I shoot this all the time. It's still not rusted, still works, still better than what they're selling out there. Okay, let's shoot this one. Yep, it punched through that leaf right there. You guys could see. Yeah. So you guys don't need to believe me, but this is actually stronger than the Shredder. That's just because it has a steel barrel. Right there. The steel barrel is the secret, you know. Everything right here, it was pretty much the same. It's just this part, the barrel part. So, and this one is cheaper too. You can get one for like 60 bucks. Well, I mean, I got this for 60 bucks, and the yellow one was selling for like 100 something. But anyways, It still works. Yep.